I'm here. Mr. Collector has said that he is presiding over the meeting, but he is not on the stage. He has got off the stage and is sitting with his back to us. You all are not facing us. Whom are we speaking to? And why have you all put 3 screens? 1 screen was enough. Why are you wasting money, public money, when you are not showing the proceedings on the other 2 screens? Why can't you all save the money? We are going through COVID times. Revenue of the government is so little. Expenditure is so much. Why are you all burdening the exchequer? Second thing, that nobody to give any clarification. Why did you all bring the NSCMI from all the way from Chennai during this COVID time, spending crores of rupees over here? They have done a 3rd class job, no 4th class job. Even a 5th standard student would have done a better job. How many times they have come, only wasting public money, trying to push through something which the people don't want. They have not done anything, not visited any of the panchayats or anything, not bothered to consult anyone, and only just we are going through the mere exercise. Okay, you come, you talk to the wall, we are recording. How do we know your recorders are working? Because everything is failing, from your sound system to your online system to every damn thing. So how do we know anything is being recorded or not being recorded or misrecorded? Some people spoke in Konkani. Is there any translator there? You showed the presentation. It was in Konkani. Isn't it your duty to also show it in English? And what about Marathi? Nothing. So Aam Aadmi can go to hell. It's only for a select few. Now you say you will refer to certain things to the Fisheries Department. Fisheries Department has no records in all the reports which they have given to MPT. They have not even been able to enumerate the species correctly. Left out the most important scheduled species out of their list. And can we depend on such a department? And WRD will enumerate all the bunds. Do they know? Do they have the manpower? Do they have the data? What are we landing up at? This is all a farce. This is only to ram through so that the 5-star hotels and others can put up their structures. And what about the common man? Common man's houses are demolished. MLAs, as mentioned by the earlier speakers, MLAs structures don't get demolished. Important structures like SHREM have suddenly come into the 3rd or 4th this thing of your plan. How? Certain structures which were there are removed. Certain structures which you all want or big shots are put in. This is no way to do a plan. We are very surprised at the attitude. Sir, Collector sir, to be fair to you, I think the GCZMA has taken you for a ride. Because they have not even provided a podium, whereas in South Goa they have provided a podium. Here we have put 3 chairs together, so that if someone comes with a number of documents which he has to refer to, does he juggle those papers? After spending crores of rupees, can you not provide a podium for the people? We are not come here to create trouble. You have brought a big police force. We told them from the beginning, we want these hearings to take place. We want our points to be carried forward, to be recorded properly. The police are not required. What is required is this basic infrastructure of providing. Is there any provision for water for the people? No. You did not even give us half an hour for lunch. So people who don't know when their turn will come could not go for lunch till 2:30. This is not right. People can't go even to the toilet because if within 30 seconds their name is called out and they're not there, they're out. Now you have referred to certain things in the plan. Nobody came to our village to explain anything to us. Where's the map of Salvador Dumont? We are not experts. We do not know the survey numbers, but if you show me the map, I can point out which are the points I would like you all to see. Please bring the map of Salvador Dumont. At least show us the map. Don't talk. You all can adopt a Maun Vrat. We have no problem. But show us the map. We'll show you all the lacuna in that. Please show us the map of Salvador Dumont. Are there maps or not? You all don't disclose, just put the map up. There are people who have got on their pen drive, they can give you all the map. Give us some answers. Basic thing. Basic facilities, even if you are not willing to provide, how do you expect us to have a public meeting with participation? Is it meant only for experts? Now in our village, the water body, is it a backwater, is it a creek, or is it an estuary? Now, if I pointed out, you could know what I'm referring to, but you are not showing the map, so how do I do? What do I do? For your failure, I lose my case by default. Where are the mud flats shown in our village? Khazan land should have been shown. How do you go ahead in this here? We are talking to whom here? Until what time? Could I know what time we are going to stop? Because of these COVID times, I think everything stops at 6 o'clock. Or do you want us to get COVID during these times so that those who object can all die and your plan can go through? Because there's no provision whatsoever to even sanitize this or sanitize that or for anything. It's as if everything is normal under this roof, under this leaking roof, for which you have spent lakhs of rupees. COVID doesn't enter this hall. Now, natural man-made features have not been shown on our map. Wicklow. Some contour maps, topography maps and all were supposed to be given to the villages. Nothing has been given to the village. So what's happening? No answers, no clarification, no maps, nothing. Only silence from your side and announcement of the names and numbers. This is a very good public example of public hearing, how to have a public hearing without hearing the public. Sir, Collector sir, can you tell at least till what time people should be there so that those who feel who are 70 numbers down the line will be here or they can come tomorrow? What is the schedule? At least announce that. Have some pity, some mercy on the people of Goa, of North Goa. Or is this revenge for having got the last hearing postponed? So this is payback time for us, that you will get no water, you will get no facility, you will get no answer. What is it? We have a lot of heritage sites in this. Another thing I would like to point out, that in your map, Salvador Dumont comprises, in your map, Salvador Dumont comprises a portion of Pomurpa village. Now, Pomurpa village is a fisherman's village. Okay, traditional fishermen live. If you are going to show that portion as in Salvador Dumont, they could not give their objections. They are unaware of what has been shown in the map. So how do you address their problems? Have you all thought about that? So they cannot give any reply to this. Neither have your people come down to explain the situation to them.
You've got 2 minutes left.
Yeah, but I got 2 minutes less. But how do you address the problems of the people of Pomurpa? Fishing zones, I think you all must incorporate in the map, and also ensure that the Pomurpa portion, which is shown in the Salvador Dumont map, is removed from the Salvador Dumont map, incorporated in and joined to the Pomurpa map, shown it to the people of Pomurpa, get their opinion, then it will be a fair thing, what you all are doing. Can you all assure me that you all will do the same? Anyone from CZMA? No answers? When will we get the feedback of what we have given? When will the minutes be prepared? Suppose today the meeting gets over, then at what time will the minutes be ready, so that we can see whether you all have noted down our minutes properly, or what we have said, and also the translated portion, because that was how MPT's hearings took place. They gave us a particular day, and they said that you all come on this day, we'll be reading out the minutes, and also the translated version of it. Can you all at least tell us that, whether it will be today, tomorrow, day after, tonight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, what time? I think someone from GCZMA should give us an answer on this point at least, that when the minutes will be prepared, so that we can all come at that time. Or do you all want us to be there whole night, whole day,